Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to resize your videos for use in social media like TikTok or Instagram. So usually those kinds of platforms they expect a vertical video, and right now as you can see my video is in landscape orientation, and if I wanted to change that, it's really easy. In Veed, they make it quite accessible. All you have to do is click on the aspect ratio button here, right beneath the video playback. So if we click this, you can see you already have a few presets like for YouTube Shorts, for TikTok, and for Instagram Reels. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on YouTube Short. And generally, anything that's 9 by 16 are all the same. And there we go. So this is what our video would look like for a YouTube short. So it does a good job of also letting you preview the UI elements in case you want to make sure nothing gets blocked in your video while you're editing. And if we go ahead and play it, that's what it would look like. So as you can see, it did change a bit of the proportions of the text I had originally placed. So we can go ahead and change that here like so, and just make sure everything looks moderately sized or appropriately sized. Sorry. There we go. And there's our YouTube short. So that's what it would look like if you wanted to check how the overlay functions with other platforms. It's a really neat feature that I am quite pleased they have included. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.